Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at different types of blogs you could make money from. Legal blog. People want to know if they can handle their legal difficulties on their own, whether it's tax related or as a way of determining if what they're doing is lawful. Lawyers are often costly, therefore there is a lot of potential online for low cost, no obligation solutions to issues that may be considered typical or basic. Content that you could blog about could include: how to complete your taxes in a certain country, steps to apply for work in another nation, the easiest way to migrate to a new country, advice on wills, consumer advice. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.